1. 1968 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $21,000, located, Battle Creek, Michigan. This 1968 Chevrolet Nova drag car is a purpose-built racing machine designed for enthusiasts who appreciate classic muscle car styling combined with serious track performance. Finished in blue, this Nova retains the aggressive appearance that has made first-generation Chevrolet drag cars highly desirable among racers and collectors alike. Built exclusively for drag racing competition, the vehicle is not street legal and has been prepared with performance as the primary focus. The car features a race-oriented drivetrain and chassis setup intended to deliver consistent results at the track. According to the seller, the vehicle has seen limited use and remains in strong operating condition. The lightweight Nova platform has long been recognized as one of the most successful drag racing foundations due to its excellent weight distribution and ability to accommodate high-horsepower engine combinations. Its compact dimensions and proven design make it a favorite among serious racers. This vehicle is being offered as a complete drag racing package for buyers seeking a competitive and dependable race car. Combining classic Chevrolet muscle car heritage, proven racing potential, and eye-catching styling, this 1968 Chevrolet Nova represents an outstanding opportunity for dedicated motorsports enthusiasts. 2. 1972 Plymouth Valiant. Price, $29,000, located, Lockport, Illinois. This 1972 Plymouth Valiant is an impressive street and strip machine that combines classic Mopar styling with serious drag racing performance. Finished in blue with a black interior, this Valiant has been carefully built to deliver exceptional power while retaining many features that make it enjoyable beyond the racetrack. The vehicle presents extremely well with clean paint, a rust-free body, and original dealer documentation that adds to its appeal and history. Power comes from a massive 588 cubic inch big block Chevrolet race engine built by Scott Shafaroff using a Merlin block. Supporting components include a quick fuel carburetor, nitrous system, power glide transmission, trans brake, MSD ignition system, and Hurst shifter. The chassis features a custom K-member, mini tubs, 4-link suspension, strange coilovers, Dana's 60 rear axle, strange axles, and Willwood disc brakes. Unlike many race cars, this Valiant retains a full interior while maintaining its competitive performance capabilities. With all lights functioning and a clean title included, the vehicle offers the possibility of limited street use while remaining a highly capable drag racing machine. 3. 1984 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $12,000, located, Paint Lick, Kentucky. This 1984 Chevrolet Camaro IROC-Z race car is a purpose-built drag racing machine designed to deliver impressive performance and consistency. Finished in white with a black interior, the vehicle combines the aggressive appearance of a third-generation Camaro with a professionally assembled race-ready drivetrain. Built with quality components throughout, this Camaro offers an outstanding opportunity for racers seeking a proven and competitive platform. Power comes from a freshly built 406 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine featuring Brodix aluminum heads, forged Eagle connecting rods, forged crankshaft, JE pistons, comp roller camshaft, Harlan sharp rocker arms, and an Edelbrock intake manifold topped with a Dominator carburetor. The engine is paired with a built turbo 350 transmission equipped with a trans brake and shift solenoid. Additional race equipment includes ladder bar suspension, race struts, weld wheels, fuel cell, rear-mounted battery, nitrous system, MSD ignition components, and upgraded gauges and wiring. The vehicle reportedly runs strong 8th-mile times and has seen very limited use since completion, making it a highly attractive choice for serious drag racing enthusiasts. 4. 1992 Chevrolet B4C 1LE Camaro RS. Price, $13,500, located, Indianapolis, Indiana. This 1992 Chevrolet Camaro B4C 1LE RS is an exceptionally rare performance vehicle originally built as a Texas State Trooper pursuit car. Combining the special service package with the highly desirable 1LE performance package, this Camaro represents one of the most unique third-generation Chevrolet performance models ever produced. Its understated appearance was intentionally designed to blend in with regular traffic while delivering outstanding high-speed capability. Originally equipped with a high-performance police package, this example has since been upgraded with a freshly built LS6 engine that significantly enhances its performance potential. Additional upgrades include long tube headers, true dual exhaust, Flowmaster mufflers, newer tires, and upgraded brakes. The vehicle runs and drives exceptionally well while maintaining the sleeper appearance that made these police interceptors so effective. With only a limited number produced, B4C, 1LE Camaros are becoming increasingly collectible. The combination of documented history, upgraded powertrain, rust-free condition, and factory performance pedigree makes this Camaro an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking something truly uncommon. 5. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Price, $13,500, located, Salyersville, Kentucky. This 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a classic American muscle car that combines iconic second-generation Camaro styling with desirable performance upgrades. Finished in green with a black interior, the vehicle offers the aggressive appearance and V8-powered excitement that have made Z28 models popular among enthusiasts for decades. Its strong mechanical package and extensive recent updates make it an appealing choice for collectors and drivers alike. Power is delivered through a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, providing the engaging driving experience that muscle car enthusiasts appreciate. Supporting upgrades include a Holley carburetor, Hurst shifter, 3.73 rear gears, new wheels and tires, and numerous interior improvements. The seller has also installed new carpeting and acquired additional interior trim components, headliner materials, and retro-style seatbelts. Originally blue before being refinished in green, the body remains in impressive condition for its age. The combination of manual transmission, upgraded components, classic styling, and strong road presence makes this Camaro Z28 a fantastic example of late 70s Chevrolet performance heritage and an enjoyable car for cruising or local shows. 6. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS. Price, $16,000, located, Anderson, South Carolina. This 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS rolling chassis is an outstanding foundation for building a serious street or drag racing machine. Featuring the timeless styling of a first-generation Camaro, this project has already received extensive chassis modifications that provide a strong platform for high-horsepower applications. Its combination of classic appearance and race-oriented engineering makes it an attractive opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a custom build. The vehicle retains its original steel body construction with the exception of a lightweight fiberglass hood. The chassis has been professionally modified with a 4-link rear suspension system and a back-half conversion that incorporates both square and round tubing for strength and durability. A removable transmission tunnel further enhances accessibility and customization options for future drivetrain installation. As a rolling chassis, the car allows the next owner complete freedom in selecting an engine, transmission, and supporting components to match their performance goals. Whether intended for drag racing, pro street use, or a custom high-performance build, this Camaro provides a solid and highly desirable foundation with tremendous potential. 7. 1975 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $7,000, located, Mountain City, Tennessee. This 1975 Chevrolet Nova Roller is a dedicated race car project that offers an excellent foundation for builders seeking a lightweight and highly modified drag racing platform. The vehicle has been extensively prepared for competition and includes many valuable components that would be costly and time-consuming to install individually. Its combination of race-ready chassis upgrades and classic Nova styling makes it an attractive option for serious racers. The car features a fiberglass front end, fiberglass doors, aluminum radiator, electric cooling fan, electric fuel pump, dual red-top batteries, and a fuel cell mounted in the trunk. The chassis has been fully tubed from front to rear and underneath to maximize strength while accommodating larger tires and advanced suspension components. Additional equipment includes a Ford 9-inch rear axle with 5.13 gears, adjustable 4-link suspension, coilover shocks, MSD launch control, power grid electronics, and trunk-mounted sway bars. Being offered as a roller, the vehicle provides flexibility for the installation of a preferred engine and transmission combination. It represents an affordable entry into competitive drag racing with many essential upgrades already completed. 8. 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D. Price, $26,000, located, Bardstown, Kentucky. This 1967 Ford Mustang Pro Street drag car is a striking custom build that combines classic first-generation Mustang styling with serious drag racing performance. Finished in silver with a unique purple interior, this Mustang stands out from the crowd while delivering the aggressive appearance expected from a professionally built pro street machine. Originally an A-code car, it has been transformed into a powerful performer while retaining a clean title and the possibility of returning to street use with minimal effort. Power comes from a 413 cubic inch Windsor V8 engine paired with a C4 automatic transmission. The drivetrain is supported by a Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with 5.13 gears, providing excellent acceleration and track performance. The chassis has been tubbed to accommodate massive rear tires mounted on weld wheels, while front disc brakes enhance stopping capability and control. Fresh paint gives the car an attractive appearance, and the overall presentation reflects the care invested throughout the build. Combining classic Mustang heritage, drag racing capability, and pro-street styling, this vehicle offers a unique opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a powerful and attention-grabbing Ford performance car. 9. 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle. Price, $14,500, located, Morganton, North Carolina. This 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle is a classic American muscle car that offers an excellent combination of vintage styling, V8 power, and project potential. Featuring the iconic body design that made the Chevelle one of Chevrolet's most successful muscle car platforms, this vehicle provides an affordable opportunity to own a highly desirable classic. The car retains a clean title and remains a running and driving example that can be enjoyed immediately while future improvements are completed. Power comes from a built Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. This proven drivetrain combination has long been favored by enthusiasts due to its durability, performance, and extensive aftermarket support. The engine delivers strong power while maintaining the dependable characteristics expected from a well-sorted street machine. According to the seller, the vehicle runs and drives well but would benefit from some brake work. With its strong mechanical foundation, desirable body style, and classic muscle car appeal, this Chevelle represents an excellent platform for cruising, restoration, or further performance upgrades. 10. 1978 Triumph TR7 Drag Car. Price, $8,500, located, Salem, Indiana. This 1978 Triumph TR7 drag car is a professionally built race machine that combines lightweight British sports car styling with serious American V8 performance. Designed specifically for 8th-mile competition, the vehicle offers impressive acceleration and track capability while maintaining the unique appearance that makes the TR7 stand out among traditional drag racing platforms. Its distinctive design and proven performance make it an excellent choice for racers seeking something different from the crowd. Power comes from a strong 421 cubic inch engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. The drivetrain has been assembled with numerous performance upgrades intended to maximize reliability and consistency during competition. Additional equipment includes a nitrous oxide system and MSD ignition components, providing the capability to deliver substantial power when needed. The car has reportedly been professionally built and tuned for drag racing, offering a competitive package for enthusiasts interested in bracket racing or weekend events. Combining lightweight construction, proven performance hardware, and unique styling, this Triumph TR7 represents an affordable and exciting entry into the world of drag racing. 11. 1967 Ford Mustang. Price, $50,000, located, Bloomington, Illinois. This 1967 Ford Mustang Ultra Street race car is a professionally constructed competition vehicle designed for serious drag racing enthusiasts. Built around a certified 25.3 chassis by Burkhardt Chassis, the car represents an exceptional level of engineering and preparation. While currently offered as a roller without engine or transmission, it includes an extensive collection of premium racing components that make it an outstanding foundation for a competitive race program. The vehicle has been configured for a small block Ford in-turbo 400 transmission combination and includes stainless hot-side and cold-side turbo plumbing, wastegates, blow-off valves, carbon fiber tubs, carbon fiber trunk floor, fire suppression system, CO2 systems, and a fabricated Ford 9-inch rear axle with strange 40-spline axles. Suspension upgrades include Calvert leaf springs, assassin bars, anti-roll bar, Santoff shocks and struts, and an AG K-member. Additional features include TBM brakes, Hollyboost control equipment, Weld Magnum double beadlock wheels, factory glass, fiberglass hood and trunk, and extensive race electronics. This Mustang represents a highly advanced race platform built to compete at an extremely high level. 12. 1972 Ford Mustang Fastback. Price, $32,800, located, Athens, Tennessee. This 1972 Ford Mustang Fastback is a beautifully maintained classic that combines desirable styling, strong V8 performance, and everyday drivability. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, the car presents exceptionally well and retains much of the originality that enthusiasts appreciate. Its attractive appearance, comfortable features, and dependable mechanical package make it an excellent choice for collectors and classic car enthusiasts alike. Power comes from a 351 Cleveland V8 engine paired with an FMX automatic transmission. Supporting features include a Ford 9-inch rear axle, front disc brakes, power steering, power brakes, and factory-style air conditioning. The drivetrain performs smoothly and provides the type of relaxed cruising experience expected from a well-maintained classic Mustang. The exterior paint remains glossy with no visible rust concerns, while the chrome, glass, and weather stripping present nicely. Inside, the vehicle features a clean cabin with functioning gauges, radio, lighting, and climate controls. Combining classic fastback styling, V8 performance, and excellent overall condition, this Mustang offers an outstanding opportunity to own a highly desirable piece of Ford muscle car history.